Hello, welcome to ICT Explanatory Solution. My name is Exo Ajala, and I'm going to be taking you through this CIE IGCSE ICT past paper as May-June 2018. As I said before, my name is Exo Ajala, and I'm glad to tell you that I'm a CIA approved examiner. So I know so many things about CIA that will guarantee you a star in your examination or that will help you as a teacher, as the case may be. So, step by step, one by one, I'm going to take you through this and I will ensure that I explain some concepts that you have to know and some pitfalls to avoid. So, it's more than a video tutorial, it's as if you are in a class and you are getting one on one support. So let's proceed one by one. So we are looking at this May-June 2018 paper 2-1. I'm going to take it one by one. Okay, task 1. You are going to perform some clerical tasks for Tawara University. I wonder Tawara every time. I'm sure you've wondered about that also. Okay, open the file j21 as rich text format. Okay, I go to my source files j218 evidence.rtf. Here it is. I'm opening it. Okay, so while it is opening, let's see. Make sure that your center number and account number, your name, your details appear on every page of the document. Okay, and we can accomplish that by using the header or the footer. So we can use the header, my name, SO Ajala, center number NJ777 from Nigeria, candidate number 0777. So my details will appear on every page. Note that any page that does not have your details, whatever you have printed there, will not be marked. So that will be a technical failure. So please ensure you have your details on every page. Okay, I double click it, I have it back. I don't need you again. Okay, let's continue. Save this as a word process document in your work area as J21 evidence followed by your candidate number. For example, this, you will need to place screenshot and answers to questions in this evidence document. So I'm going to save this. Save as my work area is my folder. I browse to my folder here. Okay, let me, so that's my folder. I'm going to save it as .docx. That's the format of the word processing software that I'm using. J218 evidence followed by my candidate number, evidence, my candidate number 0777. Okay, that is done. Save. Okay, so I have it saved now. Task 2. Okay, you're going to edit a report. The university uses a corporate house staff for all their document. Paragraph type must be created and applied as instructed. Open the file J218 employee.rtf, J218 employee.rtf. Where are you? Here am I. Okay. Yeah. I'm going to do justice to this. Okay, this is everything. Okay. Let's proceed. Now, when you come here, the first thing to do is to erase every editing that they have done there before. You can see that is not well edited. You can see center aligned, left aligned, different kind of alignment, sometimes different kind of text types and the rest. So in order to cancel everything so that your own work will be okay and your house style will apply as instructed, you need to clear all formatting. So I've cleared all formatting, then I can start answering the question. The page setup is set to A4 landscape orientation with margins of 2 centimeters. Do not make any changes to these settings. Okay. Save the document to your work area with a file name report. The file name report, make sure it is saved in the format of the software you are using. Okay, I'm going to go to save as the file name report, all caps, report, the software I'm using, .docx save. Okay, that is saved in the software that I'm using. Okay, place in your evidence document a screenshot to show this file has been saved. Make sure there is evidence of the file saved. So they need you to show it in your work area to show that it has been saved. Some students, they often show the evidence why they were saving it. For example, they will come here and pick this as their screenshot. That is not acceptable, as the case may be. To be on the safe side, this show your evidence that it has been saved here. So I'm going to take screenshots of this. I'm going to take screenshot of this to show that it has been saved, and that is evidence one. We'll paste it there. So this shows that it has been saved. Okay, place in the header automated page number left aligned in the header. Okay, I'm going to go to the to header and footer, and I'm going to choose the one that I can easily edit. This blank. Okay, automated page numbers left aligned. So this is my left automated page number, quick path, field, page, left aligned. Okay, that's it there. Automated page number left aligned. Automated file size in kilobyte right aligned. File size, quick path field, file size in kilobyte. Check that. Left aligned. Place your name, serial number, account number right aligned in the footer. Now, anyone you are not using, you delete. You delete. Anyone you are not using, you delete. Okay. You can toggle fit for so you see the actual line. Okay. Your name, serial number, account number right aligned in the footer. Okay. In the footer. Name, center number, account number, right aligned. Right. Name, center number, NG 7770777. Right aligned in the footer. Okay, so that is aligned to the right. Make sure that all the alignment match the page margins. Okay, there is no other thing. So I'm going to take this off, delete. If you don't delete it, it will make you to lose some marks. Okay, all the alignment match the page margins. Okay, please pay attention here. The page margins will have 2 centimeters for the page margins. So I'm going to come to the header or footer, and I'll do header from top. I change this to 2 centimeters. That's for consistency. Even if you are not told you are supposed to do it, it's called consistency. So header from top 2 centimeters, header from bottom 2 centimeters. So that will be the same thing for the page margin. Okay, so that's what that means. Okay, header filters are displayed on all pages. We're done with number 2. Okay, create and store the following styles basing it on the default paragraph style. Okay, so we want to do the out style specifications. Now I'm saving my work. Okay, why? Because of consistency in design. Consistency in design. You have a company and you want to have consistent document. Anywhere they see your document, they know that okay, this is for your company. That's the essence of doing our style specifications. It's like cascading style sheet in HTML, so it ensures consistency in design. Okay, so I'm going to create this now. Okay, so we'll come to this point. Um, let's click here for so that everything we do we see it there. You can see new style here, style inspector, manage styles. So new style, I click on new style, is named gr dash title, gr dash title. Okay, serif. A good example of serif is Times New Roman, Times New Roman 36, 36, bold, so that bold, italics, single 00, okay, single 00, that's paragraph, paragraph is by default single 00, Times New Roman 36, bold, italics, single 00, that's for the title. Okay, I'm done with that. No, the second one, gr subtitle, gr subtitle. Ensure you don't make mistakes in your spelling. Subtitle, serif, Times New Roman, serif 18, right underline 18, oh, okay, right 18, right underline 18, right underline single 00, serif 18, right underline single 00. I said by default, for you to be sure, if you go to paragraph, you see that it is single 0 before 0 after. Okay, so this is done. I need to edit the title. I remember I didn't do the center alignment. Center, so just take this to center. And that's okay, that's done. Okay, gr subhead new style, gr subhead, gr subhead, serif 16, serif 16, center, underline, italics, there's no bold, center, underline, italic, center, underline, italics, single 09, okay, I have to go to paragraph, single 09 point after, okay, serif 16, to 16 there, serif 16, center, underline, italic, underline, italic, done. Okay, that's subhead. I need to go back to normal. All the defaults settings are enabled. Okay, gr body, gr body, sans serif area is an example of sans serif 11, Areas and anchors of sans serif. 11. Justified. Non-single 06. No formatting. Paragraph. Single 06. GR body. Single 06. Area 11 justified single 06. Okay, that is done. Normal again. New star. GR bullet. GR bullet. Serif times New Roman 14 3 centimeter indent from the left with hanging paragraphs. Okay, paragraph indent from the left is 3 centimeters, so this is indentation 3 centimeter. Special hanging paragraphs, all capitals, shaped, all caps, and it's shaped. Okay, that's like a kind of bullet. Okay, so we're done with paragraph. Go to font, all caps. Okay, so that's all caps. We're done with font. I go to numbering. From numbering to bullets, I'll pick this type of bullets. Okay, single 00. Okay, let's see. Times New Roman 14 3 centimeter. Okay, everything is done. What evidence are we showing? Take a screenshot to show that the style setting have been defined for the GR. Okay, so that is done. So we want to show them evidence that we have defined all the settings. So we'll take the evidence of the screenshot. Print. Okay, print screen. Take this. Okay, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 of them. How many do I have here? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5. That's correct. 5. Alright. Drop it there. That's done. Display these custom style names as a list in the style manager. What I just did now is evidence 3. Evidence 3. This is evidence 3. This is evidence 3. Take screenshot to show the style names have been created and saved. That's evidence 3. Then I will redo. I have to do evidence 2 now. Take a screenshot to show that the style setting have been defined for the GR subhead paragraph. Subhead paragraph. Okay, subhead. Then I'll go to manage styles. Modify. Subhead. Right click. Modify. So modify. Let's see the GR subhead again. Underline single 09. Okay, I need to show the paragraph also, and I'll take this single the screenshot, print screen, and I take this. So that is what I'm looking for. Copy that, paste. Okay, that's now my evidence 2. Evidence 2. Okay, so you have to read instructions clearly and don't jump the gun as the case may be. Okay, That's my evidence 2 now. Evidence 2, that's the screenshot for the sub-head paragraph, which is what we have done here, GR sub-head, and everything is showing. Let's cross check again. I love to do that. Serif 16 center. That's serif 16 center. Underline italics, single 09, single 09. Perfect. Okay, so we are done with evidence 3 already. Screenshot to show the style names have been created and saved. So this shows that the style names have been created and we have saved them. Okay, now we want to start editing. Before you start editing and you start applying your style sheet, okay, please select all, Control A, and clear formatting again. I've seen it that you apply a style sheet or a style, and then you find out that not every part of your document responds to that. And I wonder why. And I don't know why, but I know how to avoid that problem. So how to avoid it, before you start applying your house styles, select all and then clear all formatting. So with this, you are not going to have that problem. If you have had a problem before, you can please just drop comments or how did you go about it. Please, you can share with others. Thank you. So we want to start now, or we want to continue rather. Okay, display this, we have done with that. Number 5, at the start of the document, enter the title Graduate Employment Report. Please, when you are okay, you come here, enter, ensure you don't make any mistake and follow the your letters, whether they are capital letters or small letters. Graduate Employment Reports. So you're not supposed to make it bold unless you are told to do so. Apply the GR title style to this. So select this. So still open this window, GR title, just click it. It makes your life easier. Enter your name immediately after the subtitle, edited by, okay, edited by your name. Okay, your name. My own name is Eso Ajala, edited by Eso Ajala. Apply the GR subtitle to this. Subtitle applied. Apply the GR body style to the rest of the document. I come here and select everything else. Control Shift and GR body. So that is applied. Change the page layout so that the subheading, the skills gap, and the following text is displayed in two equally. The skill gap from here downward is displayed. So we go to more columns, two equally spaced columns with 2 centimeters spacing between the columns. 2 columns here, spacing is 2 centimeters between the columns. Okay, that is done. Apply the GR bullet style to the list of items from communication. Okay, that's from here. GR bullet. Okay, that is done. To enthusiasm. Okay, that's correct. Identify the 8 subheadings in the document and apply the GR subhead style to each one. The 8 subheadings. So this is one of them. GR subhead. So I've applied to this. I could just select this and then double click the format painter, and then I look for the subhead and I'll paint it. Then that's subhead 3. Whatever method you know how to use best, just use it. You can highlight and then select the specification sheet and you're okay. Okay. Oh. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, escape and stop painting. Okay, that is done. Okay, that is done. Subhead. Identify the subheadings. Okay, that's done. Using the data in the create a vertical bar chart to show the skill shortage vacancy by percentage only. Label the chart with the title, types of skill in short supply. Okay, J218 skills. Um, J218 skills. Where are you? Where am I? Click me. Okay. So while it is loading, okay, to see everything, double click. So we are drawing. What are we drawing? A vertical bar chart to show the skill shortage vacancies by percentage only. Okay, you select from A2 to A15, A2 to A15, then hold the control key and select from C2 to C15 and go to insert. Okay, I have recommended chart, or you go to bar chart and you pick the clustered column and the vertical bar chart to show the skills shortage vacancies by percentage only. Okay, by percentage only, let them see clearly the percentages on the bars. Okay, so I'm going to choose this layout 4, layout 4, layout 4. Okay, label the chart with the titles, types of skill in short supply. Okay, type uh, types of skills in short supply. I need another layout. Okay, okay. Pick the first one. Types of skill in short supply. Ensure you don't make any mistakes. Types of skill in short supply. Okay. Format the value axis scale to display. Okay, I have this. Okay, this is the value axis scale to display a maximum value of 0.48. So right click on this, and you say format axis maximum of 0.48, change this to 0.48, and then increment of 0.06. That's for the major here, 0.06. So we have this, you can see it's increasing by 6% and the maximum is 48%. That's what they're talking about. Okay, display data labels above each bar. Data labels above each bar. So which of these? Okay, these are different formatting. So we are going to go to layout. So this does that, but it removes our title. Okay, I have this, then I have this. This is not, this is not, this is good, but my title is not there, except I use a text box to do that. Okay, Okay, so let's select the bars and then right click, add data labels, and add data labels. Okay, so that is what is required. So I have my title, I have the axis, and then I have the data labels. Do not display a legend. Okay, delete this. You're not needed. I don't know why they don't want you. So go away. Insert the chart after the paragraph ending skills are being in short supply. So pick this, Control C, the paragraph ending skills as being short supply. Okay, this is it here. Skills as being as short supply. Enter. Control V to paste. Okay, I have it there. The chart field within a column width. Okay, it's within a column width, is not extending outside. All labels are displayed in full. Okay, everything here is displayed in full. Okay, nothing is missing, nothing is, that's a good one. Okay, so we are done with that. Import the image. It's wide volunteer.this and place this below the subheading volunteer project. Okay, subheading. Okay, let me do Control F so that you don't keep going back and forth. Okay, so this is the subheading. I need to place that guy there. What's the name of that guy again? J2R8 volunteer. Okay, copy. You are needed here. Immediately after this, enter. Okay, it's there. Do not display elite. We've passed that. Format the image so that it is resized to a width of 2.5 centimeter with the aspect ratio maintained. 2.5 centimeter. 2.5 centimeter aspect ratio. Lock aspect ratio. 2.5 centimeter width. So the width is 2.5 centimeter. It is aligned to the left margin at the top of the paragraph. Okay, I'm going to change the wrapping to tight. So I'll show you align it. Okay, so you can see my lines showing that it is aligned. Okay, that is done. The text wraps around the image. We've done that. Format the paragraph that starts a worker with inadequate okay, so this is it. And hence where okay, from here to knowledge. It is indented by 2 centimeters from both the left and right hand margins. Displays an external 3 to 4 points black border. So it looks like this. Okay. Paragraphs. Indentation. Indentation is 2 centimeter for 2 centimeter. Two centimeter left and right margins. Okay, display an external 3 to 4 point black border. External 3 to 4 point black border. um, page border 3 to 4 point. So this is 3 point. Black border to this section. 3 to 4 point black border. Oh no, that's not it. Borders instead of page, just pick a box 3 to 4 point to apply to paragraph. So it's the borders, not page border. So I have this the gray shading 10 to 25 centimeter. The same place, page border shading 10 to 25 centimeter. So that percentage, okay, that's 20%, and that's gray. Apply to paragraph. Okay, that is done. Okay, spell check and proofread the document. Spell check, Control O from the beginning. Okay, let's close this. You're done with your ministry. Close this. You're done with your ministry. Spell check. Let's click here on spell check and see if there's any obvious mistake or error or anything like that. Ignore. You're okay. You're okay. You're okay. Skills. You're okay. No, you're okay. Ignore. Ignore. There's nothing. Okay, thank you. Make sure that list chart and the paragraph with NASA border are not split over two columns or pages. There are no widows or orphan. There are no blank pages. The house type, blah 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 blah, has been followed, and the correct styles applied. As spacing between all items is consistent. Save the document using the same file name and format used in step 1. Print the document. So let's see from the beginning to avoid widows, orphans, inconsistency. Okay, from the beginning, you have to check from the beginning. We're okay. We're okay. Paragraphing, spacing before and after. Spacing before. Here, the spacing after is not consistent. So I have to take it and then. Okay. To the next page. Okay, next page. Break it to the next page. Check again. From here, you can see there is too much spacing here. So dark space to bring it up. Okay. So there's a required paragraph. Okay. So this is not acceptable. So from this student ambassadors, I have to take it to the next line breaks. And I'm doing column break. So everything breaks to the next column. Okay, I just have 2 lines here. This is part of the widow of speak about. So I'm going to take the whole of this paragraph to the next column or next page, as the case may be. Next column. So continues. I just have 2 lines here, which is not acceptable. So you're going to meet the rest of your family members on the other column. Okay. Yeah, it looks good, and it has taken a long time, but it's a worthwhile time. Thank you very much. We're rounding off this. Make sure your names and internal account number are on all reports. You need to be sure so that your effort will not be in futility. Okay, it's showing all of them. Okay, print out one then. Print out, print the documents. Okay, I like using shortcut Control P to print. You print the document and ensure that I'm going to use Adobe PDF printer so you see exactly how it is going to be on paper. Then you print. Please do not postpone your printing because you may be asked to modify whatever you have printed, and if you do, you may not be able to go back to where your document was before you started printing. So as you see, print out, you print out immediately without wasting time. Okay, so we'll call this print out one. Print out one. Okay, thank you. Okay, don't forget to just subscribe for the channel if you have not done so, and drop your comments as a form of encouragement to do more. Okay, so let's see what is going to print out. Okay, so that this how exactly is going to look on paper. That's page one, second page, the third page. In case you see any mistake, you go back again to correct it, then before you do the final printing. Thank you very much. I must appreciate your time, and I believe that you can do this by yourself and you have learned one or two things. I'll be moving on to the next video to the next set of questions in other videos. My name once again is Esu Ajala, and I am doing this live from Nigeria. Thank you. Bye. See you in the next video. Bye.